You don't repair your relationship with your teenager by getting everything right. You repair it by going back to the moments that didn't feel good for them or for you. These were the ones where you realized your tone was sharp, your reaction came off fast, and they shut down. Because they're never going to remember what you meant to say, they're going to remember how it felt. And here's the Illumilite shift. Instead of just moving past it, try saying something like, "Hey, I've been thinking about earlier. Can we try that again?" Because that moment is when you start to rebuild trust. It's not about perfection. It's about the willingness to come back and repair. Follow for ways to get your kid to start opening up again.